Instagram recently introduced Reels, but before we get into that, make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload these types of videos. Basically, this is like TikTok, but for Instagram. You can record and edit 15-second multi-clip videos with audio effects, and you can also share these Reels with your followers on your feed or even the Explore tab where you can get even more engagement and more of a following going on your Instagram. So if you're not familiar with TikTok, let me walk you through how to do this on Instagram. These are a couple reels that I've already made recently, and I think this feature is a lot of fun. So you want to go to the home screen on Instagram and just click on what you normally would if you were going to make a story. And at the bottom, you'll see Reels. So you'll see Live, Story, and then Reels. Click on Reels, and then that opens up other features to the left. So you can have access to music and songs. You can also slow or speed up clips. Underneath that, you also have effects and filters to play with. And then underneath that, there's also a timer. So you can go ahead and set a timer and you can adjust this however you see fit. You could also import your own TikToks. So at the bottom left, you'll see where you can get to your camera roll. So if you click on that, you have access to your videos. You could go ahead and just import some of these clips if you wanted to, and you can also trim them, which I really like. So bear with me, this is a more in-depth tutorial. I'm going to quickly walk you through making one of these, and you guys can see how it turns out. And you'll also see the sharing options at the end too. So once you have the clips that you want, you can also choose to add music to it. You can also add stickers and GIFs if you wanted to. You could also overlay filters like you normally would for your Instagram stories. So once you have the video that you want, you can go ahead and select the cover. This is where you can also write out your caption. This is my brilliant caption. And then after everything is set the way you want it, you can either share it to your feed or you could share it to your story. So if you click to share it to your feed, it will show up on your feed like a photo or a video does, but whichever way you choose to share it, it will live on your Instagram Reels section, which is right by IGTV on your Instagram. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you'd like to see more Instagram tutorials from me. I have some others planned. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more of those types of videos. But I hope you guys are having a good day and staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.